How to fix Duolingo app icon. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Duolingo app icon. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If your Duolingo app icon looks weird, distorted or is missing entirely, there are several potential causes and solutions for this. So, firstly, before solving this kind of issue, you need to know why your Duolingo app icon looks weird. So, the first reason is corrupted app data. Sometimes the app data can become corrupted, causing the icon to display incorrectly. Second is the software glitch or bug. An update to the app or your phone's operating system may cause visual bugs. The third reason is third-party launchers. If you use a custom launcher, it might affect how icons are displayed. Incomplete app installation. The app might not have installed properly, leading to visual glitches with the icon. Or else the other reason might be due to the marketing strategies of Duolingo or the updates that has brought by the Duolingo application. So when you see your app look like this, then you don't need to worry because I have brought you the solutions to fix the Duolingo app icon. The first is you need to restart your device. You can simply hold on your power button on your device. Then you will get the restart option. You can slide towards restart and restart your device. Once you do that, you need to follow the second step. Simply you need to go and check for the app updates. Open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap on the search icon at top of the screen and search for the Duolingo app. You need to check if there is any updates for the app. If there is update button, tap on it to update it to the latest version. Other thing is you can easily reinstall the app. You can tap and hold the app and tap Uninstall and reinstall from Play Store. Other thing what you can follow is simply go to the settings and then you need to scroll down. Select apps. Open app management. Scroll down and search for Duolingo app. If you don't find this way, tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Duolingo. Open it and then scroll down. Select storage uses and clear cache. Once you have followed all the steps, what you need to do is you need to check whether your icon has been fixed or not. When you go back, here on the home screen, you can see the perfect Duolingo applications icon. So that is how we can easily fix the Duolingo app icon. So if your issue has not been yet fixed and it looks very weird, then what you need to do is you need to simply open and create an account on it and interact it with daily. Lack of interaction can look your app weird. So once you start interacting well with Duolingo app, your application's icon will be fixed and it will come to the normal icon. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.